Yeah,
Hello. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me anytime, huh? Because I think
of course.
you are not
Yeah.
getting 100%.
Yeah, because you know what? This is my, first time into LWC.
Yes,
This
yes,
will
yes.
take
That's
time,
right.
of course, to
Okay, okay,
understand.
sure, sure. So
But yeah, yeah.
it's not tough. Um, it's very easy, and it is very you will enjoy in LWC. It is very easy. Okay,
Yeah, I'm understanding the points of, coding and all. But yeah,
okay,
little bit I will have to learn
okay, okay,
according to time. Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay. Sure, 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 sure. So now we will cover the component bundle of LWC. Means whenever we create any LWC, at that time main three files are created. One is HTML file, one is JS file, and the third one is the meta.xml file. This is a sample of the HTML file. It's a pure HTML code. And the bootstrap. Hello, hello, Simran.
Yeah, of
Yes.
course. Yeah, I know about this one.
Sure. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. So it is a pure HTML. So it directly compile in browser. So it is very. We can say that it is a lightweight component. Okay. Then this is a sample of a JS file, and we can import the different library in JS file. Then this is the meta.xml file. This file is very important. Whenever we create any component, at that time default meta.xml file is created, and at that time up to the is export tag there is a code, and we have to add another tag. Is export means uh, when we when we make it true, it will available in our org. And master label means it is the simple name of that component, and then description of the tag, and the target tag means um, if we have to enable any component for a record page, app page, home page. um, the record page, app page, and a home page.
No, I
Okay,
don't know
okay,
about
okay, okay,
this.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Record page means in Salesforce. I Yes, this is the home page of this application, and this is the record page of account, right? So if we have to enable that component in record page, then we have to enable that record page target. If we have to enable the component in app page, then we have to write the app page target, right? So this is the basic uh, component bundle of LWC.